so not
She's
bad.
giving up on us again. It's too cold.
10 more degrees and I'll be out.
All right. We'll finish up without her. We cut her off because she's not saying nothing anyway. All right, let's go get this snow fence up. And we'll go from there. You ready? All right, let's go. Come on. Come on. We have to check the unexpected surprise. It's like 40 in here. It's like 20 outside. The walls are all frosted. So I'm thinking they're happy. Now we don't feed them because they don't eat, but I'll put a little bit in here just in case. Usually they don't eat. Hey, where you going? Hey, Tubbers. Goodbye. We're gonna bring those in and repaint them and put a clear coat on them. Anti-squirrel stick. It really don't work. If anything, it holds this up so they don't fall. I thought I'd check the temperature since we checked the unexpected surprise. It's 16 degrees. Now we're hoping for snow. Gonna check the fish. Almost pretty. everybody. Oh, they seem happy. So there's nothing that we have to do in the greenhouse. I do watch this filter system religiously in case that heater ever breaks. Then I'm really going to worry about this. But even if it looks like maybe sometimes we'll get a little frost around the edges. And if we do that, then I'm going to shut that off. Otherwise, this place is locked up. Oh, I thought of something. Got the beds all covered. Put fence over so the straw doesn't blow away. We moved our strawberries from over there to over here. Thinning them out. Just mulch. Garlic. It's all our garlic. And these are just some empty beds we haven't decided what to do with yet. Nice, right? He's onto something. So what we normally do when we put up snow fence, this is the driveway we're going to try to keep open. It's a big circle, and usually we just don't worry about this side. But, well, it gets so deep in snow. But we figured out if we put snow fence from here, see out there to that corner, we don't get any drifting. I'm gonna tell you a funny story. When we first moved out here, I put snow fence right here, right along the driveway. Does anybody have a clue what happened? I know nothing. Okay, so we use two kinds of snow fence, the cedar and the plastic. And we don't like using the plastic, of course, especially with Valerie. But we found these at Farm and Fleet, and they were like ungodly cheap. So we're gonna use the cedar ones up here closest to the road, and in the back pasture where we don't care what anybody sees, we'll use the plastic. Now I gotta measure. So that's northwest. So we'll put the poles on this side. All right. Remember, northwest. So second cedar ones we're gonna put right here. Then all the snow goes up here, but the drives stay open. Do is I'll run the plastic from here, we'll attach it to this fence, and then whatever's left we'll extend it out there, and then that'll keep snow away from the driveway and by the trellis. And most importantly, the LP guy has to get in here and get to that tank over there. I don't think he likes trudging through the snow. So what are you doing? You making room?
It's making room. Okay, this is the Christmas tree.
This is the tree here?
This is the tree.
Okay.
I mean, and that's gotta go.
What's with this?
Well, he kind of doesn't have to
Where's he going? Upstairs?
go. I don't know.
Upstairs with everything else.
Probably. Maybe I'll put it into the boys' sitting room.
Yeah. Hey, I'm going back outside.
Are you getting hot?
No, I just don't want to do any Christmas stuff yet.
Why?
I don't know. I want it to snow. Hey, day 2. You coming? He follows me wherever I go. Hey, well, the pond in the greenhouse, I put the pump back in there because it's keeping pretty warm in there. But I'm gonna put a camera in there so you can see the fish. This one's like 60 in here. Oh, it's pretty clear. Let's see what it looks like up close. I got the camera in there, but I'm not going to feed them because then they rummage around and knock everything loose. Then it gets dirty and I can't see. All right, here's the project. Finishing this up. You didn't think I was gonna do all those by hand, did ya?
The one I know.
Repurpose? They'll die there in all the nutrients.